In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from clearing cached images and files every time you close the browser. This is a really useful fix if you want pages to load faster, keep certain site data available, and avoid having to re-download the same content over and over again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the browser settings. From the menu, choose Settings. This will take you to the main Edge settings page, where you can control privacy, security, and browsing preferences. On the left-hand side, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is the section where Edge stores all of its privacy-related options, including what gets deleted when the browser closes. Now scroll down until you find Clear Browsing Data on Close. Click on that option to open the list of data types that Edge can automatically remove when you exit the browser. Here, you'll see several toggles for different items, such as browsing history, cookies, download history, and cached images and files. To prevent Edge from clearing cached content, simply turn off the toggle next to Cached Images and Files. If that option is already turned on, switching it off will stop Edge from deleting that cache every time you close the browser. Once you turn it off, Edge will keep those cached files saved instead of removing them on exit. That means websites may load a little faster the next time you visit them, and you won't constantly lose the stored data that helps pages open more smoothly. If you also want to keep other types of browsing data, you can review the rest of the toggles on this page and make sure only the options you want are enabled. But if your main goal is just to stop Edge from clearing cached images and files, that one toggle is the key setting you need to change. After that, you can simply close the Settings tab, and the change should be saved automatically. And that's it. You've now successfully stopped Microsoft Edge from clearing cached images and files when you close the browser. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.